So, this is my next video. This is the wireless gaming headset from Philips. Now, it is Bluetooth. It's got LEDs at the side, which I will show you. It does come with a dongle, that's for the wireless, as well as Bluetooth, so you can connect up to your phone. It's compatible with your mobile computer, gaming consoles, Xbox, PlayStation 4. It is available for anything that uses Bluetooth. So I'll make sure to put in what is included in the box. But first of all, what I'm going to do is just give you an overall look of it. As you can see, it's got the Philips brand in there. Now, it is rather bulky, but of course it has got all the technology in it as well. It is Type-C charging, which, thank you, Type-C should be the way. There's a little switch by here, which you can switch it from Bluetooth to wireless. It's got all these different types of buttons. There's also an LED button, so it just shines like red, green or blue. You've got the volume button by here, and then you've got this by here then, which turns off the microphone, as the microphone is detachable. Now, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you what comes in the box. Then, what I'm going to do is switch off the Elgato Wave 3 I use for my videos, and I'm going to switch straight to the microphone on this. So, please continue to watch. Right then, so now I am recording through the microphone that's built in here. I hope it sounds okay. I have done initial testing. I've done a few microphone tests. It does sound okay to me, so that's a good thing. Overall, the comfort, it's quite comfortable. Obviously, they are a little bit too bulky on this base here. From what I can see, they don't have noise cancellation. So, but other than that, to be honest, me watching a few things and playing some games with it, honestly, you can't really hear background noises, so it's not so bad. Overall, the quality, I think it looks quite nice. It's not flashy like a lot of brands that do all this RGB everywhere. And as much as I love RGB, but these seem more nice. They're a nice looking design. Overall, they're very comfortable. I will say this, there's a little support band by here. That is a little bit annoying at sometimes. But other than that, really, I can't really gripe. I will make sure to put the price up here as well. Because it's from Europe, the pricing on the UK and Europe's a little bit hazy. So I'll make sure to put it in the video. Now, of course, this is, like I said, it's a gaming headset. And of course, it's from Philips. Of course, it is primarily meant for gaming because it can connect up to your consoles and it connects up to your consoles, your phone. As this is connected directly to my phone, I am capturing it with a detachable microphone. Now, of course, like I said, it's Bluetooth, it's wireless. And to be honest, the battery life isn't bad. Now, I've been using this for about a week and a half and I haven't had to charge it once. So it's at 60% at the moment, and I've used it quite a bit, and overall the features are really nice. I do like the Bluetooth. That's one thing I'll say about the Height headphones, is that they weren't Bluetooth compatible. Otherwise, I'd use them more often. But when it comes to like connecting to my phone, this is something I'd actually want to use for myself. So it's a good thing. Overall, I honestly think the sound quality coming out of them, listening to music, watching a film, playing games, very nice, crisp and nice. So, I'd put it up there against the Height the height headphones. They sound very nice. So overall, to be honest, if you're looking for a nice pair of headphones that ain't too gaudy, ain't too gamering, then these are quite a nice option. Also, the microphone sounds very, very good. So they're comfortable to wear, and one good thing is they're Bluetooth. So you could use these on a bus, train, not on the car, obviously, unless you're a passenger, of course. But yeah, I mean, very nice gaming headset, and big thank you to Philips for sending them out. That's pretty much it, guys. I give them a good recommendation. They feel comfortable, as well as they've got all the features you need. Bluetooth, wireless. They can connect your phone. They can connect your gaming console. The Type-C charging. You know, there's not much you cannot like about this gaming headset. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And this is Richard from WELSHYTECH. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da.